before I finished applying it, I figure I should probably show you what I'm doing with the microfiber towel and pantyhose. Just kind of pour a little out. You got your rag soaked, and you just kind of work it back and forth with the grain. And you're just covering the grain up. And again, it's just a work table. So, I mean, if you wanted to get after it and show a whole lot less grain effect, and you could sand it a couple more times, put a top coat on it, but you know, it does a really good job keeping out the streaks. Just a couple of minutes in the sun and I'll be ready to sand and put the next coat on. Had to turn it to get the edges. After a couple of minutes in the sun, it's just a piece of 320 paper underneath a Scotch pad to give it some cushion. And it's good and dry, powdery, ready for the next coat. Okay, we're curing the third and final coat, and just a couple of minutes in the sun, and it's completely dry and ready to sand. If you want to sand it, or if you want to just leave it just like it is. I think what we'll do is use this as a demo. I mean, it's a shipping table and it doesn't really matter as far as what I'm going to use it for, but if you'll see right there, there's some of the defects. I don't know if it shows up in the video or not. There's several other guys have talked about it. You know, I'm gonna show you how to get rid of these. What we'll do is we'll wet sand it and we'll buff it and get all those little, what appears to be just micro bubbles. And I'll, just for the sake of a demo, I'll show you how to get rid of those. But as far as the shipping table goes, I just use it just like it is. The table's been prepped, like we were talking about, with 1000 grit, wet sanding. I just wanted to knock the tops off. I mean, you can see some of the ripples of the plywood itself. I mean, there's only 3 coats of the 710 on there now, so I didn't want to force it down and actually hit the stain. So what I'm going to do now is buff out the 1000 grit, and I'll show you a picture when it's over. Okay, I just wanted to stop right quick and show you where we're at with the polishing. And you see, the more you get after it, better off it's going to be. Again, this is a shipping table. made out of a piece of plywood, so you know, for us it's, but I just wanted to show you that we could get rid of those little dirt specks, and just with wet sand and chasing it out with a compound. I'll finish it up and put it in shipping.